Yes, good day everybody watching all over the world. I want you to watch this video of late Gani Fawehinmi. Let's watch it together first, then I will come back to say my own opinion.
Between 1999 and 2003, the price of rice have increased by 150%. Palm oil, 1 liter, which used to sell for 30 naira, has risen to 150 naira. I've given you the basic food that the ordinary man takes, the fried plantain, that has risen from 10 naira to 50 naira. Again, take the maize, which is used particularly in this part of the country, it has risen 165%. The basic food like beans had risen 133%, and yam had risen from 60 naira, 50 naira in 1999 to 180 naira per kilo in 2003. And they are crying every part of Nigeria. They are crying every part of Nigeria that is there any government in this country? The answer to most people in this country today is there is no governance of our country to give us food.
You see, this video is a presidential debate in 2003 during Obasanjo regime. And it's obvious that Bashimama pariwo every time, no lele. But what baffles me is this: I don't understand why we will see good candidates and we will vote for that person. In 2015, it's 2015, I voted for Omoyele Sowore in 2015. Though last election I voted for Tinubu, and I know the reason why I voted for Tinubu there. Èmi ò ní parọ́, but ìyẹn ò ní kí n má jáde láti má criticize government, because this government they are not doing anything, because most of the policy they are telling us they are doing is not yielding any results. We are not seeing it in the poor masses. Àti poor àti àwọn rich tó jẹ́ first class, second class, we are all shouting that this country is something else. But now, problem, let's see this problem now. It's been coming since when? For more than how many years? Obasanjo is part of this country, is part of our problem too. It's part of our problem too. Torí tá bá rántí Obasanjo ti pẹ́ ní government yìí, ó ti ṣe kan ní tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ láyé ológun. Now, ó tún wá padà ní 1999 as president, as democracy president. Now, kí ni achievement wa ní country? What is our achievement in this country since then? Now, the only person tí mo yìí rí wípé ó ìfẹ́ díẹ̀ nínú àwọn tí wọ́n bá wá ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe yìí tó jẹ́ pé okay, government ó yìí try díẹ̀, òun ni Yar'Adua. And Yar'Adua ọ̀jẹ̀ pẹ́, Yar'Adua kò pẹ́. Now, tí Gani Fawehinmi báyìí máa tó bá pariwo lé pé oúnjẹ lọ sókè about 150%, 200%. As at then, tí wọ́n tà nǹkan ní 30 naira tó dẹ̀ ń lọ ní 180. Now, kí ló fi yàtọ̀ sí èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láyé Tinubu yìí? Tinubu bá epo ní 190 something naira àbí 180 something naira. Epo is now how much now? 1,300. Ṣé a lè sọ pé 150 nìyẹn ni àbí ká sọ pé over 300%? Over 300% àbí 500% gan? Because this country now is something else. So this is the country, Nigeria, that you want us to rely on. It's not possible. At least you people should come out and tell us the problem of this country. What is our problem? Where are we going? How can we resolve this problem? Because at next election, this one will come out and we do it. I can do it. This is the solution. Another one will come out. I can do it. This is the solution. Later, they will win election and do another thing. I just don't understand. And to me, if we vote for our choice, they will rig that election. They will rig the election because they are very powerful. That is the reason why we cannot overcome them. That is the reason why we cannot overcome them. Most of the policy that Tinubu is putting in places now is not giving us any good results. The vice president is telling us we should be patient. Till when? Till when? Ẹ wo time yìí tí Gani Fawehinmi ti ń pariwo. Ó ti pariwo títí àti lọ síbi tó tún gbèrè ẹ̀ sí ibẹ̀ láti ń pariwo ní 2011. Man, and we believe that the country is going to be better. I don't think so. Èmi ti ń lose faith o, mi ní parọ́. Because at least if Tinubu government want to give us something that is good, I'm not saying you should perfect it, because I know that you cannot be perfect. That one is very certain. But at least let's see little good results. Little, just small results. This is almost 2 years. You are still adding to our problem day by day. Now it's 1,200. About 2 months ago, it's about 1,950. Everybody is shouting, hey. Within 2 months, you bring it up to 1,200 again. Let's see what's going to happen in the next 2 months. Because I'm hearing that this thing can reach up to 1,600 to 1,700 to 1,800. Dollar is now 1,700 to $1. Now, hey, God of mercy, $1 is now 1,700 or 1,800. So where are we now going in this country? How do you want poor masses to survive, Mr. President? This is what Gani Fawehinmi is saying in 2003 presidential debate. Presidential debate in 2003. The same thing during the Obasanjo regime. Now, the same Tinubu is shouting then on Obasanjo that is doing this, is doing that, is blah blah blah. So now you are now the president. See what is happening now. During Obasanjo regime, his own is times 3. Your own is times 40. I just don't know. Ẹ máa pariwo mẹ́nìkan pé ẹnìkan ò ṣe dáadáa. Tẹ́yìn bá wá débẹ̀ tí yín máa wá worst ju tẹ́ni yẹn lọ. Tí yín máa worst ju tẹ́ni yẹn lọ. During Jonathan, the person that lead the protest is our president, our Mr. President Tinubu. Is the one that lead the protest, sponsor those protests. They even protest in Abuja, him and Buhari. So Buhari get to power, they destroy everything. They destroy Nigeria economy. Nothing is working again. On va gbé òkú, on gbé yẹn fún Tinubu ya. Nàìjíríà kú tó ti Nàìjíríà tó ti dòkú already. So it's going to be very difficult to revive this country. Don't let me deceive you. And that is why I said I've already lost faith in this country. Before, tí mo máa ń sọ, tí man Dele Fawehinmi bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà míì, mo máa ń rò pé man yìí ti wà lousy jù, ìwé bó ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi ò like it. But now, mo ṣe ń realize ni pé no, what this country is giving us, no, it's not what we want. They are just doing anyhow. It's going to be very difficult to rebuild this country again. It's going to be very difficult. And I will not say much about this again. My name is Lekuchi Oyemi. Bye for now.